Hey guys, today we are in the dining room. Plus, I will be sharing how I used a few of my Goodwill finds in my fall decor. And if you guys did not see that Goodwill haul, I will link it at the end of this video so that you can see everything that I bought. First, I want to apologize for the lighting. As you can see, it is a cloudy day, but we're going to go ahead and get started. Now you guys might remember the vase and the bowl from the haul. And so I shared a few Potterybarn inspired pictures from the internet. And so this is my version. Both pieces were painted in a ivory base coat, and then a brown wash was done on the bowl to give it a marble or wood finish. Pick your choice. And then I just placed the bowl on top of a wood slice to give it a more organic look. And of course, I filled it with pine cones, pumpkins, and leaves. A very pretty look for fall. Very simple, but pretty. And then the vase, I just added a little color to the bottom in a gray. And so this is a quick tip. If you're working with a light colored base as well as a light cabinet or console, you might want to do something in a contrasting color to bring out the piece. And so that's why I added the gray to the bottom of the vase, just to give it a little contrast between the top of the cabinet and the bottom of the vase. And then I added a beautiful amber color candle to pick up the colors in the bowl as well as the leaves. And another tip for the leaves, if you have old leaves that you're not using, try spray painting them in your favorite autumn color. And if you guys are interested in the paint color for the leaves, it is a metallic champagne bronze by Rust-Oleum. So the look that I was going for was simple, elegant, and natural. You guys know I still am in love with my rustic glam theme, and so I pretty much carry that throughout my dining room most seasons. You will see that same look at Christmas time. So on my entry table, I decided to use one of the vases and one of the lamps. Now, I don't know if you guys remember this lamp or the vase. The vase was a solid cream color. Well, it was a cream color with brown writing, and then the vase was gray. I'm sorry, the lamp was gray. So I know I said that I was not going to paint the vase, but it needed to get painted. The same thing applied for this area. My console table is white, so I really wanted to put a darker vase on it, and so I decided to go ahead and paint this piece. And this was a very interesting technique. So this was a pretty interesting technique that I used to get this finish on this particular vase. Once you put your base coat on and you're satisfied with the base coat, you take some dirt, yes, dirt, dry or wet. I think wet works a little better, so you could just put a tiny bit of water in there. So I would start with a little bit at a time and apply more until you get the desired look. And it just gives it a more earthy, natural type of feel. It's very interesting. It was my first time using this and I was impressed with the outcome. So here I just put a little bit of water on my glove. And then you basically just rub it in. Okay, and then I just took an old paintbrush and just blend it into the pot. And then you let it dry. So in the entry hall, I wanted to keep things more natural looking. So I removed my mercury glass lamp, but I did replace it with a mercury glass pumpkin. And so this lamp, you guys might remember, it was gray. And I had mentioned that I wanted to put it in my study. But for now, the study is not ready. So I thought I would put it in here. And I kind of like the way it looks, so I may do something different in the study. I don't know. But this one was definitely inspired by a Potterybarn look. And I think it turned out beautiful. Okay, so there's one more item that I want to add to this area, and then I want you guys to tell me what you think. It's not what you would call natural, but I think it might work. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so what do you guys think? I thought a mirror would look kind of nice here. I like the gold. I think it warms up the gray and complements the cream color of the lamp. Now, even though it's gold and everything else has more of a natural feel, except for the pumpkin, I thought it still worked because of the color. It does pick up the colors that are in the flowers. Once again, keeping with my rustic glam theme, but in neutral colors. Okay guys, so I am still working on a few of the other Goodwill finds and trying to decide where I'm going to place them and how I'm going to paint them. And as soon as I get those ready, I will share those as well. Okay guys, so that's it for this portion of the video. Now while I was out, I stopped by Crate & Barrel and I picked up this candle wick trimmer, and I also took a few pics to share. So if you guys would like to see some fall inspiration from Crate & Barrel, just keep watching this video. And if you guys did not see the video where I shared the centerpiece ideas, I will leave that video linked below as well. So stick around for a few more inspirational pics and have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.